Hi, this is Jim's Vintage Collectibles with a Smith Corona silent portable typewriter. It's got pretty standard keyboard configuration here. It can use two-tone ribbon. Right now it just has a black, but this is your color selector, so you can use it with two-tone. You got your tab, your margin release, and it has floating shift. You can see there's a little, it's hard to read, little logo there, it says floating shift. What that is instead of your shift keys lifting the entire carriage up, instead you'll see it's going to just move the whole type bar configuration down, so it just makes the shift keys a little lighter because you're not lifting the whole weight of the carriage. So it's got your shift lock over there. This is your ribbon direction. I believe it also has, it's got automatic ribbon reverse. So when it gets to one side, it has these that'll get pulled out and reverse it automatically. But if you need to do it manually, that's what this is for. And then controls on the carriage. Obviously, these fold down to put it in the case. You got your your margin controls here. Carriage release is over here. The carriage lock, to center it, just hold that up and it'll stop right in the middle so it can go in the case. And then over here you have line spacing adjuster. If you put it down here, it'll be single spaced, and you can increase the spacing for when you hit the return lever. This is your line retainer if you need custom spacing. And you got another carriage release over here. Oh, that to release the carriage lock, I just did it there. Basically, you just move the carriage a little bit to the right, and you'll see it snap down, and then it's good to go. So that's pretty much it. The typewriter can be removed from the case. Obviously, it's got this little latch there, or you can remove the just the lid. These hinges just pop right off, and just use it mounted to the board. So that is the typewriter. It's for sale on eBay. You can find the link in the video description, and don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with all of our latest items. Thanks.